Have you ever encountered these SolidWorks installation problems? Are you troubled by installation failures, activation error messages, and missing components? Constant reinstallation failures? Searched for tutorials but couldn't find a solution? Encounter time pressure but can't solve the problem? Our software can quickly locate errors. It can be fixed by clicking the button. No matter if you encounter installation failures, whether it's a missing component or a license error, we can help you solve it in one step. Next, I'll demonstrate the installation process of the DX Repair tool. Click the extensions. Scroll down and select Install C+ Runtime Library. Click Start, and you can download and install it. Next is the usage process of Uninstaller. If the following error messages appear on your page, then please follow my operations. I'll teach you how to solve it. Firstly, open Depuning. Click on Extensions. Select the option of the problem to be solved. Click Start. Select the version. Click OK. How about it? Isn't it very simple and quick? The same operation applies to other problems. I won't demonstrate them one by one. Besides the expansion modules of the software, there is also the need to check the registry, permissions that affect installation, folder permissions, image hijacking repair, functions such as removing damaged services. Finally, there is the uninstallation function. Select modules precisely to solve problems according to different issues. There are no redundant functions, aiming only to solve your actual troubles. Download it for free immediately and solve your SolidWorks installation problems. Click the trial button to quickly fix your problems. Software download address deep uninstaller.com. Click download and you can start the download.